Professor Dr. Mahalakshmi V. Reddy was an academician at Andhra Pradesh Agricultural University, India for 34 years. She conducted courses and managed an independent research lab, as well as extensive field and outreach activities.
Now I have a flower which is everlasting.
Dr. Reddy retired from her university service in 2016 as Professor and Associate Dean of College of Home Sciences at Professor Jaishankar Telangana State University.
Company from Thailand. At that time I happened to see the flowers which were very unique and they were all mounted in a glass. To a common man it was beyond imagination, and to the affordables also it was on a higher side.
She has attended conferences in the United States, Europe, India, and Southeast Asia. Her experience working across cultures, languages, and ages has established her as a versatile leader, educator, and mentor.
And we did not have post-graduation in interior design those days. That was in 77, 79.
She is at present an entrepreneur commercializing her patented floral preservation technology. She is the CEO, managing partner, and founder of Lyo Florals Limited in Hyderabad, India.
If we can give the preserved flowers, it will always make them very, very happy about it.
She is actively engaged in the Women in a Business community in Hyderabad and works on developing opportunities for women of all ages in business and marketing.
Flower preservation, it's purely my intensive research for about 12 years of study, and then 8 years of study come lab research that made me to go into the detail and evolve the.
She has established a startup micro-enterprise in 2016 that is Lyo Florals Forever Memories after retirement, holding the position of founder and managing partner. Please join me in welcoming Professor Dr. Mahalakshmi V. Reddy only on PMC English. Flowers are very beautiful and flowers make us happy. And today we have a very important topic to discuss, and we are at Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. The company's name is Lyo Florals. This company deals in preserving flowers for a long time, or we can say forever. Now we'll also come to know about the process, how it works, how the processing takes place, how it is preserved for a long time. We are going to meet Dr. Mahalakshmi Reddy and explore the process of preserving flowers. The logo itself is very beautiful. It shows two hands, the care, and it preserves memories, it preserves happiness. Come join me.
Welcome to Lyo Florals, the world of flowers.
Hello viewers, today I'm at Lyo Florals lab. I am with none other than Dr. Mahalakshmi Reddy. Very warm welcome to our channel, ma'am. So I want you to take us through the lab, how it works, how the process actually and practically works.
I will do that.
Yes.
So we are in the workshop of the Lyo Florals.
Right.
This is the place where we process our flowers, and then we try to give the treatment prior to the arrangement of flowers into the machine.
Right. So
And
the machine is there.
yeah,
So these are all
these are all preserved flowers. These are all my exotic flowers, which I wanted to people to see that there are beautiful flowers which can be admired forever. So these flowers I put it on display now. All flowers that comes into the lab will go into the process, and then they are protected into the sealed boxes and then kept inside, so that before we go for processing, mounting, we will keep everything ready for preservation.
It's really amazing to see such lovely flowers everywhere here, preserved, which will last longer. And definitely people are sometimes connected to certain memories.
Very
The
true.
flowers play an important role in
Right.
our lives, of course. Now I want you to explain us about the machine, the process, the science behind it.
Surely I will do that. First of all, I want to just tell you, actually now I have an order for a wedding ceremony.
Right.
So now they had ordered for the memories to be given to them, to their family members and their
Right.
kith and kin. So they wanted me to start working on it. So recently I have procured around 350 flowers. That's about 22 bundles of flowers I got from Pune, because that's the place where I get the greenhouse flowers. So now I got those flowers. Now if you see this is the flower that I have
Wow.
but got it from them, and then now for the sake of seeing or comparing this with the preserved flower, I had
Right.
kept some. You can see that already there are few which is already
They have started with
withering. So this is about fourth day. So in spite of care, our natural flowers will never be so withstanding longer duration. So this is the reason we preserve the flowers, and this technology of lyophilization helps us to prepare the flowers and then make it as a permanent flower. Now I use my lyophilizer. This lyophilizer is designed for the purpose of it, first of its kind in our country,
Right.
designed by our lyophilization system in Hyderabad. So I'm going to show you how these flowers are processed in the
Right.
machine.
So this machine is called a lyophilizer.
Yes, floral lyophilizer.
Right.
And it is the company which has called it as a Lyoflora. It's a lyophilization system company in Hyderabad has
Right.
manufactured this for me, and it is first of its kind in India, and it is developed only by local company here,
Right.
and you will not get it anywhere else in our country, because
Okay.
this is specifically designed for the purpose of preservation of the.
Right.
So looking into my requirement and my interest, this was specifically designed, and this is the only pilot plant. Now once we are planning for a bigger this one, probably we need to make much bigger
Bigger
unit
machines,
or
yes.
multiple units for the bigger business. Now these flowers, when it is in natural condition, since it starts withering, we give the hydration treatment for it to revive its natural characters, and then once it is refreshed with all the natural qualities, then it is time for to load in this machine.
Okay.
But each flower has got certain characters. Now according to the characteristics of the flower, we give the chemical treatment. If it is pink, there is a different treatment. If it's a yellow, there is a different treatment. If it's a white, there is a different
Right.
treatment. So we give different colors of the flowers. All textures will be similar, but in case of some of the tea roses, Taj Mahal roses, and
Right.
all, they have very variations. But these are all greenhouse grown roses.
Right.
So have almost similar quality. So we have given the pre-treatment and then loaded it. When we load it, we take the machine to minus 30 degrees, and then we start allowing it to form into ice. They become a solid ice. Then we bring it to the sublimation temperature of minus 20 degrees, and then by applying the vacuum, it will move from the lower degree to the higher level. So at this stage, we start seeing that there is a moisture evaporation. All the ice that was formed inside, now it will all go on collecting to the bottom in the form of a vapor, and then that it gets collected here. So you don't feel any more ice once the sublimation is applied into this.
Right.
So this is how the processing is completed. This flower takes about 7 to 8 days in my way of managing the flower. Today is my 5th day. You can see that now the temperature has come to minus 12 degrees. Now every day we increase the temperature through our program. Initially we give the program, and then we increase the temperature. And then when it comes to the room temperature, slightly above the room temperature, it's ready for taking out from the machine.
Right.
So once we take out, they are like a paper. They are so brittle. So unless we give the protection to the flowers immediately after taking out, it may once again fall apart. So we need to give the post-processing. Now the post-processing is done in this environment. So this workshop is full of activity when we are loading the machine and unloading the machine. So this is how we take up the work over here.
Right.
And then once the flowers are all ready, then we put it into the sealed boxes. Everywhere you find the sealed boxes. All sealed boxes are for different varieties of flowers, and then we try to give the protection to the flower so that it will not reabsorb the moisture further
Right.
from the environment.
Right.
So once that is done, Then flowers go into the design lab for mounting into the different frames.
Right.
So this is the process of the lyophilization.
Really wonderful. The very important point here is the temperature starts with -30. It has to become ice first. From ice, not water, but directly vapors. So that's the process. That's the reason the flowers remain fresh. If the process is not followed, then there are chances that flower will not be preserved properly. So this is lyophilization. Ma'am has brilliantly explained us the process. Very compact machine by Lyoflora, one of the best companies in India. And this is Make in India, Made in India machine. So definitely we're proud of it. So wonderfully explained. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I think time to have a chit chat. Next destination is Design Lab. I think today we cannot see the post processing after this because it's just 5th day.
Exactly.
So we have to wait maybe next time. Thank you.